Hello, my name is Dipendra Upadhyay and today I am going to explain trigonometry ratios class 10th math CBSE. So in this chapter, first I will explain you what is called trigonometry and trigonometry ratios and what parameters we will use in this chapter for calculating trigonometry ratios and one important concept and we can say theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let's start with trigonometry ratios. I hope you are able to see me and my voice is audible to you. Trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios. Okay, so first I will explain you what is the meaning of trigonometry. So basically its name suggests trigonometry. Tri means three, okay, and geometry means size, shape. Okay, so any shape, that shape is surrounded by three sides, one side, two side and three side is called trigonometry. So this is triangle and this is right angle triangle. Why we are taking right angle triangle? Because in this chapter mostly we will use this right angle triangle, okay, because we have to calculate trigonometry ratios. So this is right angle triangle because this value is 90 degree. This angle value is 90 degree. So let this triangle is ABC. Okay, now these both angles are acute angles. Suppose that this is theta and this is phi. Okay, we can take anything, theta, phi, delta, anything. So this is theta and this is phi. First we have to understand actually in this triangle what we say three sides, matlab what we give name to these three sides. Okay, so this is BC, this is base. Okay, this is base. When we will take theta as a angle, okay, if we will take phi as a angle, then AB will be, this will be base. But suppose that in this case I am going to take this theta as a angle. Okay, so this will be base and this right angle front side is called hypotenuse. Okay, and this theta angle front side, this is called perpendicular. Okay, this is only triangle. Okay, this is triangle, this is in this triangle, these are three sides. Okay, this is base, this is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. Always remember, if we will take this theta as an angle, then it will be base and it will be perpendicular. But if we will take phi as an angle, then it will be base, it will be perpendicular, but hypotenuse in both circumstances will be same. Okay, and angle 90 degree front angle is hypotenuse, and when we are taking this theta as an angle, then front side is perpendicular. Okay, so now this is trigonometry. Now I am going to explain what are called trigonometry ratios. Okay, so basically trigonometry ratio is relation between three sides and angles, three angles of triangle. Okay, trigonometry ratios is relation between three angles and three sides of triangle. Okay, there are some parameters we should understand. We have to learn these parameters. By using those parameters we can calculate this relation between angles and these sides. So it will be trigonometry ratios. So these parameters are sine, cos and tan. Sine, cos and tan. So in this case we are taking this situation, this angle C is theta. So sine theta will be perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So you can see there is relation between angle and sides of triangle. Cos theta will be base divided by hypotenuse, and tan theta will be, cos theta is base divided by hypotenuse and tan theta will be perpendicular divided by base. Okay, these are basic parameters. By that we can calculate trigonometry ratios. After that we can expand these parameters. How? We know sine inverse is cosec. Sine inverse is cosec. So cosec theta will be, sine inverse is cosec. So here P by H will be inverse. When we will inverse this ratio, it will be H by P. And cos theta is B by H. So its inverse is sec theta. So then sec theta will be, this is cos theta is B by H, then sec theta will be H by B. Then tan theta inverse is cot theta. So tan theta is perpendicular by base, then cot theta will be base by perpendicular. So these are important trigonometry ratios. And now I will explain you what is called Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem suggests hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, this is simple theorem, and there are a lot of utility of this Pythagoras theorem. This is very important. Hypotenuse square AC is equal to perpendicular AB square plus BC base square. Okay, so this is basic concept regarding trigonometry ratios. Thanks for watching. Thank you.